Are you thinking of getting new windows in Cedar City, Utah? Replacing your current windows with energy-efficient vinyl windows may be one of the best steps you can take in improving your home or business. Energy-efficient windows with our low E glass has an invisible triple coating of silver, which repels the sun's UV rays. And since the chamber between the dual panes is filled with argon, your interior temperature will stay where you want it, with less energy. So if you're looking for windows built to provide a lifetime of dependable service while also making your home quieter, more beautiful, and more energy efficient, then look no further than Advanced Window Products. We offer a double lifetime warranty, and we make it easy to get your brand new windows with our $0 down, 0% interest financing. Plus, a portion of every sale goes to support charitable organizations, such as Make-A-Wish Utah and Habitat for Humanity. Contact Advanced Window Products today for replacement window estimate in Cedar City, Utah by giving us a call at 801-505-9622.